Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm William, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create a brand with AI, a book brand. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. You want to go to ChatGPT because we are using AI to create this brand, and then log into your ChatGPT. I will give you the prompts and then the links to everything, the resources that's currently being used in this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first thing I want to copy my prompts and then go into ChatGPT and paste it. Mind you, this is a book brand. As this, please, I'm starting up a book publishing brand that will major on. You can change this if it's coloring and activity books you're using it for. You're starting your brand around. You leave it like that. If it is fiction book, you put fiction books. And if it is a children's coloring book, whatever you want to do, if it's a cookbook, you put cookbook. So mine will be fiction books. So I'll make a quick edit to the prompt, which will be fiction, Fiction, and then I will press enter. Good, good. There you go. As you can see, my 10 brand names has been created, but I'm not going to just use them right away because of trademark issues, and I have to check if they are available on Amazon already or they are also using the names already. So reason I have to check is that I don't run into legal issues or a contamination with Amazon. So with that being said, I will go to amazon.com/advanced dash search slash books, which land you to this page right here. So now I'm going to check the names of each brand name that ChatGPT has generated for me one by one, so that to check if it's actually being used currently on Amazon or it's a pen name by an author, so that I can avoid account termination. So I'll copy the first one and then I'll go to the Amazon website and then I'll put it on under author and then I'll press the search. Okay. So as it currently stands now, there's nobody using it. It's blank. So that is for author. There is no author using it now. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to remove the press from there and then search on the story mints. Still, there is nobody using it. It's blanked. That means both the story mint and then the story mint press for the author's name is blank. There is nobody using it. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to search on the brand, which is the publisher. So I'll paste the name in the publisher and then I'll click on search. And then there are no publisher using it under the Storyment press. And then I'll just delete the press from there and then I'll search only the Storyment. And then there are no publishing company with that name as well. So that means it's safe to use. So now I would like to further break into the brand. And mind you, the steps that I used, you can use that same procedure for each and every one of them. I'm not going to do that. I've already showed you the first step. So I believe you can now do it on your own. And moreover, the prompts used in this video will be given to you. So in the comment or the description below. So we'll pick the next prompt and then we copy it. And then the next thing we want to do with this is that we want to create our copyright page, our copyright for our brand or our box brand, which is this. And then I'll change. Which will be fiction, Fiction, and then I'll press enter. Yeah. So this is our copyright page. And you know, one thing I always encourage authors to do is that you can get an email address and then put your country, and then that way your email will always be under your Storyman Press Publishing House info location. That way people can reach you out easily. So that'll be all for today. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.